Ronaldo. Oh, genius! Absolute genius! Would you believe it? And it's a hat-trick for Cristiano.
There's a fair amount of worry amongst the Marseille supporters, and why not? It is absolutely magnificent.
It's 35 yards and more. Too far for Ronaldo to think about it. Oh! Absolutely sensational!
Did you think he might smash it there?
He smashed it into the back of the net. It gets even better for Cristiano Ronaldo. It's a shot of superlatives, and David James might have been